How long were you a statist, and how did you get out of that sort of mentality of, believing in authority, believing in that government? Because I think it's important that, we not just talk about everybody and what they're doing and how
Of
they're being
course, yeah.
influenced, but we also learn from ourselves because ourselves are our best source of information to deliver to people and say, this is what happened to me, and this is what can happen to you, or this is what, if I can understand, then why can't you understand if it's so common, if it's something that we need to understand? So,
Yeah.
how did you get out of that? How long were you a statist?
Uh, yeah, a good while, even though, yeah, going back to the music stuff, like, anti-political for the most part, right? And,
Hmm.
but, getting that family pressure and they're Democratic, and, last time I voted was in 2009 for, uh, Barry Barack Obama, whatever. But, and then, that was during the crisis, housing crisis, whatever recession, and then he bailed out the banks and this and that, and I wanted to projectile vomit, this and that. I really just I renounced, all that stuff. I was like, man, a Democrat's doing this, and like I was raised to be like anti-Republican, more or less. Even though I didn't understand, it's like people were programmed through their upbringing or what they see subjected to on TV, as mentioned before. And then, that happened pretty much as I was moving to France. And that I really just left that behind and just kind of, yeah, to focus on things over there and seeing how politics play out over there a little bit. And, it really didn't click until I really listened to Mark Passio's Natural Law Seminar,
Yeah.
probably. Yeah. And then
Yeah, it's
listening to
great.
things like Lark and Rose.
For a lot of people, that was sort of their breaking point, because,
Yeah.
he was somebody who came to light and said, "Hey, I was part of a lot of these dark organizations myself." Again, like personal experience. That's why I asked the question.